Today, we're looking at the upcoming Lucira Health IPO that is happening on Friday, February 5th. If you want to learn more about the company, their products, and their S1, or if you just need help deciding if you should buy or pass, stay tuned. What's going on, investors? My name is Jose and welcome back to Rico Suave IPOs, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, we are looking at the upcoming Lucira Health IPO. Founded in 2013, Lucira Health is a medical technology company focused on development and commercialization of transformative and innovative infectious disease test kits. They developed a single-use and consumer-friendly test kit that is powered by two AA batteries and fits in the palm of your hand. The testing options today are too expensive, inaccurate, or are inaccessible due to the slow times to results or complexity. Our Lucira COVID-19 all-in-one test kit is designed to provide a clinical relevant COVID-19 result within 30 minutes from sample collection. On November 17, 2020, the company received emergency use authorization from the FDA for prescription at home use. As you can imagine, guys, these test kits are a hot commodity. According to Renaissance Capital, the California-based company plans to raise $125 million by offering 7.8 million shares at a price range of $15 to $17. At the midpoint of the proposed range, Lucira Health will command a fully diluted market value of $644 million. Here's a short 1-minute video from ABC 7 News that shows how the Lucira Health COVID-19 home test kit works. But before that, a quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing, so thank you. If you want to become a patron, there's a link in the description.
The palm-sized test kit produces results in 30 minutes or less. The optimum time to test, according to its developer, Lucira Health, is a couple days after symptoms develop. Los Gatos family practice doctor Niraj Kochar was the primary investigator. He explained the timing.
Because we're really testing for the virus within the nose itself, and if it's too early in the incubation period, you can have negative results when patients do have virus, just not enough quantity.
The mucus sample on the swab then goes into a vial with a reagent that starts the diagnostic process. A positive COVID result takes 11 minutes, while a negative one takes longer, 30 minutes. More than 100 patients participated in the clinical trial to obtain FDA emergency authorization, with a 94.1% accuracy rate. Patients, especially children, found the Lucira device less invasive because the swab is inserted only about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. The swab is rotated 5 times at each nostril. This differs from the nasopharyngeal tests done in the field.
The original swabs had to be high because we were looking for actual genetic material from the virus itself and the antigen. This is a molecular-based test, so it's much easier for us to do it from a shallow swab.
The COVID-19 all-in-one test kit will be available soon through Sutter Health in the Bay Area for about $50. The unit is single-use. Lucira says it can be disposed in the trash. Lucira hopes home testing will address concern about transmission of symptomatic patients.
This is going to be a giant step forward for them because this negates the need for them to have to go outside and therefore expose other people, and particularly if they're feeling unwell.
David Louie, ABC 7 News.
As you can see, you can get your results in 30 minutes or less, although if it's too early in the incubation period, you could get a false negative. They have FDA emergency use authorization and the test has a 94.1% accuracy rate. And you don't have to insert the entire swab all the way up to your brain like the other test, which is good. The test costs only $50 and is easily disposed. I think this is a great way to test for the virus at home. Have you guys tried this test? Let me know in the comments below. You can check out their website and you'll see that the Lucira COVID-19 test kit is featured on the homepage. They also have a video with steps on how to use it. My only concern, guys, is that this company doesn't have any other products and what is going to happen to their bottom line when the COVID-19 pandemic is over. What other infectious and respiratory diseases can they test for, or what is their next product? Now let's look at their S1 to learn more about the company's financial data. This S1 was filed on February 1st, 2021. The company is pre-revenue, meaning it has no revenue at this time. This is important to note. To date, we have not derived any revenue from our test kits, and we have financed our operations principally from sales and issuances of convertible notes, preferred stock, grant income, and to lesser extent, option exercises. We have historically incurred substantial net losses, including net losses of $6.5 million and $8.5 million for the years ended in December 31st, 2018 and 2019, respectively, and $20 million for the 9 months ended in September 30, 2020. As of September 30, 2020, we had an accumulated deficit of $46.5 million. Apparently, this is typical of development stage life sciences companies in that they feature no revenue and significant R&D and G&A costs associated with its product development. Now, the S1 shows the net loss of $20 million in 2020, and their balance sheet shows $68.2 million in cash, $82.4 million in assets, and $6.7 million in total liabilities. So, should you invest in the Lucira Health IPO? Well, I think this is a good cause, of course. I think they need to go public to raise funds to continue manufacturing the test and for more research and development. Their balance sheet shows they have 11 times more assets than liabilities. Now, here's a research and development company that has a home run product in their hands. They just need a little bit more cash to continue growing and to train professionals and for marketing. I'm going to give this one a thumbs up, guys, on the possibility of high future capital gains, and I will be looking to buy me a few shares. However, this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice or investing advice, guys. So make sure you do your own research and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, but more important than that, guys, make sure you take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rico solves the mind. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I think you'll go your house, your money, leave you broke, son.